In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable dark mode in Smartsheet. Switching to dark mode can make working in Smartsheet a lot easier on your eyes, especially if you spend long hours in front of your screen or you often work at night. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you step by step through where to click and what to look for. So by the end, your Smartsheet workspace will be using the dark theme. First, make sure you're logged into your Smartsheet account and you're on any main page, like your home screen, a sheet, or a workspace. Look toward the lower left corner of your screen. There, you'll see your profile icon. Depending on your account, this might show your initials or a small profile image. Go ahead and click on that profile icon. This opens a small menu that contains your personal settings and preferences. From the menu that appears, look for the option labeled Personal Colors and Logo. This is where Smartsheet keeps your appearance and branding options. Click on Personal Colors and Logo. When you do, Smartsheet will open a settings window or panel that focuses on how your account looks, including themes and color choices. Inside this window, you'll see an area where you can choose different themes or styles. There will be a control or option to change your theme, often next to a label mentioning theme or colors. Click on the button or drop down that lets you select a theme. This is the select action in the steps you're following. Once you click it, you should see several theme options appear. Now, from the list of available themes, find the one labeled Dark Theme. This is the option that switches your Smartsheet interface from a light background to a darker one. Click on Dark Theme to select it. You might notice an instant preview where the background and interface colors shift to darker tones. Take a moment to glance around your screen and make sure the new look feels comfortable and readable for you. After choosing the dark theme, you'll need to confirm your change so it doesn't revert back. Look for the Save button in the same settings window or panel. This is usually located at the bottom or in the lower right corner. Click on Save to apply your new dark mode settings. Once you've saved, your Smartsheet interface will stay in dark mode across your sheets and workspaces, making it easier to focus and reducing eye strain while